Hey y'all, I had to jump on here and show you guys these new rocking chairs that we got. My son actually just put them together, my 12-year-old son, so they are very straightforward and clear instructions to assembling them. But it's the oversized outdoor rocking chair for the porch, and really it's going to be everyone's favorite spot to sit in. They are so comfortable. It's got that classic Adirondack look, but the cool part is it actually rocks, so you get that relaxing back and forth motion while still having the wide seat and tall back you'd expect from an Adirondack type chair. The rocking chair is made from HDPE plastic, which basically means it won't crack, peel, or fade like the wood. It's built to hold up to sun, rain, even coastal winds. We've had our fair share of the wooden Adirondack type furniture, and I'm here to tell you that even under a cover, it did not last more than 5 summers, unfortunately. The navy blue color that we got looks really nice outside, and it feels super sturdy when you sit in it. My husband is 6'2" and about 260 pounds, and it holds him with no problem. My son said the instructions were simple, and once it was together, it was ready to go. It's heavy enough that it doesn't feel flimsy, but not so heavy that you can't move it around the patio if you want to. Definitely one of those chairs you can sink into and just relax at the end of the day. We love them. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helped.